Welcome. Today, let's delve into how you can export your contacts on Instagram with these updated steps. To initiate the process, open the Instagram app on your device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your profile icon, typically positioned in the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will direct you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines icon usually situated at the top right corner of your profile. This will unveil a menu with various options. From the menu, select Account Center to access account-related settings. Within the Account Center, navigate to Your Information and Permissions. Tap on this option to progress further in exporting your contacts from Instagram. In the Your Information and Permissions section, locate and tap on Download Your Information. This will lead you to a screen where you can choose to download or transfer your information. Proceed by tapping on Download or Transfer Information. Follow the prompts by tapping Next and then selecting some of your information. Locate the option for contacts and tap Next to continue. Select Download to Device and tap Next to proceed with the export process. Finally, tap on Create File to generate a file containing your contacts from Instagram. By following these steps, you can efficiently export your contacts from Instagram, allowing you to retain and manage your contact information outside of the platform. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide assists you in successfully exporting your contacts on Instagram. Keep your contacts organized and accessible with this simple process.